Hi, this is O'Connor at the Global Sources Launchpad, and I'm with Arvin of Blocks. Well, really, choose Blocks too, right?
Choose Blocks.
But Blocks, that's all you need to know because, well, you already do know because $1.6 million raised in Kickstarter. Wow. And so you have to deliver to how many?
About 50,000.
50, that's a huge task.
Yep.
Have you delivered yet?
We'll start delivering this November to our backers first.
Right, what's the deadline?
The deadline is November.
Wow, will you make the deadline?
We got to make the deadline.
You've got to make the deadline. Wow, wow. So tell us what the product is. Let's have a quote. Can we put it together, can we?
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
All right.
Just that easy. And push it. There you go. Now it takes about 25 kilograms for it to be
pushed in.
Out.
25 to be...
Yeah, to really push it out. Okay. Yes.
Pull.
Yeah.
Woo! Man. Oh man, I can't.
Yep.
You can do that. All right. I say we're putting it together, and so one more. Is that right?
So yeah, but you see, for this one.
Oh, it's got to fit.
Yeah, this
one goes in here. All right, that's in.
Yeah.
That's in.
So this is how it's gonna look like. I don't have the connector with me right now.
Right. Okay.
But with the connector, it's together.
Okay.
And if you press the lock,
yes,
it's gonna get removed.
Yes.
Like
now,
that.
why are we choosing different ones? Because they have different modules, right?
Yes.
Different electronic modules.
Yes. Different functions.
Wow.
Yep.
That's all. And then obviously it's the smartwatch in there. When we know the basic smartwatch functions.
The premium basic smartwatch.
Premium basic
the high-end
smartwatch.
One. Even by itself, it's already competitive enough.
Wow.
Qualcomm processor, 512
wow.
RAM.
I remember that. I remember you telling me in April, the Qualcomm processor. Well, who needs to know more? But what about the extra blocks? What do they add that is not already in this very, very, very good smartwatch?
All right, sure. I'll explain here. We have first the GPS. Most smartwatches do not have a GPS.
Okay, GPS.
Module.
Okay.
And then we have the Adventure module.
Adventure. You mean altitude and depth?
Yep. Altitude, wind pressure, air pressure, and temperature. Yes, it can detect rain 30 minutes in advance, so it's gonna tell you in advance, so you can take shelter.
Wow, amazing. And this one?
Flashlight for those people who have night activities.
Okay.
And this is the heart rate sensor. Oh,
heart rate, because under here, right?
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay, and then you switch it around.
Yeah, we have more actually. We have extra battery and programmable button. I don't have it right now with me.
Wow.
But you can order this right now.
And then you buy that as extra modules.
Yes.
Because your base module, you don't get everything.
Yes, you can pick 4 out of these.
You pick 4 and then off you go.
Yep.
Hence, the promo was choose Blocks.
Yeah.
I like that. But now it's called Blocks.
Yes.
And 1.6 million. Wow, you've got a big job on your hands now.
Yeah. Overall, we've raised about 3 million.
Wow.
US from several investors as well.
That is amazing, Elvin. I'm very impressed. Okay, for 2017, what is your biggest challenge going beyond? You get all these out to all your backers. So what's the next big hurdle?
The next big hurdle is for pushing people to adapt to our technology, and we have several sensor developers.
You mean getting developers to develop more things that can go with this?
And so far it's doing well.
Are you using open source or is it proprietary?
Open source.
Okay, so you're trying to get more developers in.
Yes.
But at the maximum, you can only have about 5 or 6 different blocks.
4 to 5.
4 to 5 different blocks.
Yes,
on
in one
smartwatch. Unless you want to have 2. Right.
Yeah.
Sorry.
4 to 5 is more than enough. I mean, even compared to a smartphone, you can't have that much functionality.
It's amazing.
Unless it's blocks.
I love the functionality. What about SIM card?
SIM card will come out the next year. It will come out.
Oh, so that will come out in the block.
Yes, it will come out in the next...
Everyone wants a SIM card on their smartwatch.
Yeah.
But very few smartwatches have a SIM card.
Yes.
Like Dick Tracy, right?
Yeah.
Hello. All right. Wonderful. So 2017, you're looking for more developers to develop these. What about distribution promotion? Any plans for that?
We'll have promotion through social media like Instagram campaigns.
Wow.
And like a grand opening.
So you're working with social media?
Yes, we're working
not the traditional distribution model?
Yes. And yeah,
okay.
That's what I'm handling. So.
Oh, wow.
For the modules, we have several already in line that will come out in 2017.
Amazing. What is your biggest challenge? Or your block's biggest challenge, do you think?
I think currently the biggest challenge is the delays we have with manufacturing.
I thought that was. We know that.
Yeah, it's giving us a hard time, but we're working through it.
Right.
But we don't want to make any compromise.
Understand.
Yeah, we want
quality number one.
Quality number one. Okay. That's our really absolutely top priority.
Right. And you have one factory?
Yes, in Shenzhen, and another one in Taiwan, actually. Okay,
good. Two factories.
Yes.
They both do the same, so you're actually dual production?
Manufacturing in Taiwan.
Yes.
Assembly in Taiwan, manufacturing in Shenzhen.
Oh, very interesting.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a typical Taiwanese model in for many different products. So you got assembly in Taiwan, final quality control. You got receiving inspection quality control.
Yes.
Assembly, then final, and you got full control over that.
Yes.
And what about, how many different suppliers are you sourcing from in China then?
In China, about two.
Two?
Yes.
Just two?
Just two, for now.
About two?
For now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so two suppliers. So how do you actually control, do you have any IP issues with controlling people copying this product?
Oh, we have patents already.
Patent, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But that doesn't stop people copying. So
well, the thing is that other than the idea, we have a lot of high talent in our team.
Right.
And they cannot replicate that.
Okay, all right. So you got the firmware, the software, and the hardware. So that's another way of actually slowing down any people that want to copy.
Yes.
Right. So, and that obviously, because you're assembling in Taiwan, you're keeping the firmware and software in Taiwan.
Yes.
And out of mainland China.
Yes.
So that's another way that you're protecting from IP.
Yes.
Protecting the IP. So I like that idea. So, they're smarter than you think. When you want to separate, production is one way of physically protecting your IP. But Elvin, I really appreciate your insights. Thank you for being part of Blocks, and thank you more for being part of the Startup Launchpad. This is your second time. Not you, but for Blocks.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the interview.
Yes, and this is O'Connor Startup Launchpad, and don't forget to choose Blocks. Bye.